Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. If you're using Instagram and your feed is not refreshing, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the first thing is that you have to make sure that you are connected to stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection, because sometimes it might be that your internet is not stable, so you might get these type issues. So you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and once you have done, you have to go back and try to refresh your feed again. Or if you're still having the same issues, so now what you have to do, you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Open up your settings, go for general, then go for VPN and device management. You have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you have any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. And once you have disconnected your VPN, you have to retry. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open up your App Store or Play Store, and here you have to search for Instagram. And here you have to make sure that you haven't any software or app update available on your Instagram app, or if you have any update, you have to try to update your app. And once you have updated, you have to go back and retry to refresh your feed. It will almost fix your issue, or if it doesn't, know what you have to do. You have to open up your settings, then go for general, go for iPhone storage, select Instagram, and you have to offload Instagram app, because sometimes it might be that your Instagram app must include some bugs. So in this way, your all bugs will be fixed. You have to tap on this offload app, and then tap on offload app again. And once you have uploaded your app, you will get the reinstall option here. Tap on it, and your app will start reinstalling. Or in any Android phone, you have to uninstall your app and reinstall from your Play Store. And after installation, you can easily use your Instagram app without any bug or any issue. So that's how you can easily fix your Instagram to refresh your feed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.